Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Samsung TV half screen black. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if your Samsung TV has a black screen, don't worry, there's a few things that you could do here to fix this yourself. So first thing you could do here is you could perform a soft reset. So in this case, you want to go ahead and turn off the TV and unplug it from the actual wall outlet. Now, it's not enough that you just turn off the TV. Make sure to remove the wall out or the plug from the wall outlet. Now, what we're aiming here is to drain the power from the full TV and basically doing a soft reset. So usually you need to wait for around like 60 seconds when you unplug the TV, and once the 60 seconds is up or more, you could go ahead and plug in your TV back in and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, you want to do a reset on your external devices. Now, if you have something like a cable box here that you have connected on your TV, or streaming devices, Fire Stick, or any gaming consoles connected, it could be the one causing this issue. So you want to go ahead and turn off your external devices, and basically you want to press the power button, plug it from the power source, and again, same thing, you want to wait for around a minute to turn back on and plug it back in. Now, this should solve your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you do here is to check your HDMI cables. Now, sometimes the issue itself might be faulty HDMI cable, so in this case, you might want to check those. So first is you want to unplug all the HDMI cables that is connected on your TV. So meaning you want to unplug every HDMI cable here. So in this case, you want to reconnect them securely. So if you have multiple HDMI ports here, you could go ahead and try switching them in place with another. Like for example, if you're using HDMI or the first HDMI here, you might want to use the second HDMI and see if that solves the issue. Now, the issues sometimes might be from the port itself, so the port might be faulty, so changing to a different port can solve the issue. Also, you might want to consider the HDMI cable that you're using. Sometimes it might be the one that is faulty, so you might want to use a different HDMI cable and see if that solves the issue. But yeah, so in this case, the next thing that you could do here is to inspect the backlight here. So if none of the steps before actually work, the issue might be the TV's backlight here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to turn off the lights in the room and make sure it's actually dark. Now, you want to shine a flashlight on the back half of the screen while the TV is on. Now, you can see a faint image on the back half. It's likely the backlight was burned out. Now, if this is the case, the backlight will need to be replaced, and this repair can be tricky, so you might want to consult a professional or a technician for this one. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.